obviously you come from a consulting background, so you obviously get touched in different industries. What do you think's be? I guess what do you think will be the most significant impacts of Gen AI on various industries? Do you think any particular? Obviously, I know it's going to like efficiency, things like that's going to impact. But is there any particular industries you think are really going to stand out through using Gen AI?
One obvious improvement and impact that we see is through the customer interaction, this personalized interaction that can be massively improved by integration of Gen AI.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking forward to more or less integration of these. And I see when I hear some news in direction of pharma with respect to drug discovery and so on.
Yeah.
So these are going to be very also interesting use cases. So these are like the top picks out there right now within enterprises. But in general, one thing that I see quite a lot that is becoming a hot topic is the whole data foundation within enterprises. Because, when you have a enterprise that the assets goes back decades in the time, and they went through a couple of mergers and acquisitions, they ended up with fragmented IT infrastructure. And, getting access to the data that is
Mm-hmm.
needed for generative AI is pretty challenging. Sometimes they have to turn the whole ship around to get the data that they really want. So rethinking the data architecture that they have and having a proper data strategy potentially is something that we are also seeing as a trend in 2024.
Yeah, no, definitely. Obviously, lots of benefits. Obviously, I'm especially like financial services. You've got obviously fraud detection can be increased. I mean, like insurance. Within the insurance world, obviously improve like risk policies, things like that. And I think like obviously like the retail manufacturing is going to improve like efficiencies there. So yeah, there's definitely, I think it's obviously getting it on the right business case as well, isn't it? Because there's lots of tools out there, certain type things. So I mean, I just feel like I speak to people like people have just like thrown all their work into like business cases using Gen AI when there may be other ways that could be implemented. So what I guess for yourself then, obviously this is obviously the impact was last year, and everyone obviously went through everything into Gen AI. But